This video is a record of a wastewater treatment facility built in Tuzon, Batangas, Philippines by a pioneer of wastewater treatment for pig farms in Japan. He built this facility at his own expense without any support from anyone. The purpose of the project was to serve as a towing vehicle for the widespread use of pig farm wastewater treatment in the Philippines. This video only records the part of water treatment using microorganisms. This wastewater treatment uses an aeration technique in which a mixed culture of Bacillus subtilis and photosynthetic bacteria is added to the wastewater mixed with pig manure. Unfortunately, this facility was not used for long and was abandoned halfway through the project. The reason for this was that the pig farm owner could not sustain an electricity bill of just a few kilowatts. The lesson learned here was, we need facility that the people where it is used want, can afford, and can use. He is now planning to re-engage in integrated pig farm and organic agriculture operations and wastewater treatment in the Philippines. Wastewater mixed with pig manure is aerated with a mixed culture of Bacillus subtilis and photosynthetic bacteria. The red color of the treated water is due to the presence of purple sulfur bacteria. Storage tank for reuse of treated water. All treated water is reused. The treated water contains a large number of effective microorganisms. Therefore, this water is used for spraying and washing pig barns. The treated water has the effect of preventing bad odors in the piggery. Pigs are happy to drink the treated water. The treated water has the effect of promoting pig fattening.